Let's continue with the promotion counting. In this problem, Bessie the cow is helping Farmer John run the USA Cow Olympiad. In response to a wider range of participants, Farmer John recently expanded the contest to include 4 ranks: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. All new participants start in bronze, and anytime they score perfectly on a contest, they are promoted to the next higher division. It is even possible for someone to be promoted several times within the same contest. Farmer John keeps track of a list of all contest participants and their current rank, so he can start everyone out at the right level anytime he holds a contest. When pushing the results for the most recent contest, Farmer John wants to include information on the number of people who were promoted from bronze to silver, from silver to gold, and from gold to platinum. However, he didn't keep track of this during the contest. Bessie, being the clever bovine she is, realizes that Farmer John can deduce the number of promotions that occurred solely from the number of participants at each level before and after the contest. Please help her perform this computation. So we're given an input of integers between 0 and a million, and the first line specifies the number of bronze participants that registered before and after the contest. Second is the number of people who were in silver before and after. Third is gold, and then the final line is platinum. So this is going to be bronze before the contest, bronze after the contest, silver before the contest, and this is going to be silver after the contest. And we want to keep track of these promotions. Okay. So the first thing to keep track of is people's rank either stay the same or go up. They never decrease. And what that means, well, we can tell that firstly because they don't mention going down ranks. They only say that you start at a rank and anytime you do well, you go up to the next rank. So from that, we can say people's rank either stay the same or they go up. Now, what this means is if you were silver before the contest, it means you were at least silver after the contest. If you did well, you could be gold or plat, but it means that you are at least silver and that you can't be bronze. So this is pretty useful. And now, what you're trying to keep track of is the number of people who went from bronze to silver, silver to gold, and gold to plat. So now, this is before the contest. This is after the contest. And then say bronze, silver, gold, platinum, bronze, silver, gold, platinum. And just let's add a B at the bottom so we know this is before the contest, and an A here to show this is after the contest. So now let's start with oh whoops, I was not sharing my screen. Here. So let's first start off with the gold to plat. So firstly, if you were plat before, it means that you were also in plat afterwards, because as we know, your rank is either going to stay the same or go up. So what this translates to means that the platinum after is going to be at least as big as platinum before and could be bigger. And the only way it could be bigger is if someone who wasn't plat before is now plat. So if someone entered plat, this is the only way, that the platinum after, I put it in the wrong place. Here, plus, if you entered plat, here, this is the only way that platinum after would not be the same as platinum before. So if someone entered plat, that means that there had to be a promotion from gold to plat, which is exactly what we want. So the number of people who went from gold to plat is simply going to be the number of people in platinum after the contest minus the number of people in platinum before the contest. So gold to plat is pretty straightforward. Now let's look at silver to gold. Well, does the same thing work? Could we just say, let's look at gold after the contest minus gold before the contest? Well, the issue with this is some people from gold before the contest can be promoted to platinum, which means that they aren't guaranteed to be in gold afterwards, unlike here. Whoops. So now to tackle this, we can just shift our group, because we care about the people who essentially entered gold, right? So we can make a bubble that consists of gold and platinum. And now if someone enters this bubble after the contest, it means they weren't in this bubble before, which means they weren't in gold or plat. And if they entered this bubble, it means that they had to have gone through the silver to gold rank up. So now we can do the same thing, and so we can say that we know that GB plus PB, so the number of people in gold and platinum before, are going to be the lower bound for the number of people in gold after and platinum after. Because if there are no changes whatsoever, these two groups are the same. But if someone from gold somehow moves to platinum, well, that person is still going to be in this sum. So that won't affect the overall like sum of gold plus plat. The only thing that will make this a bit different is if someone entered gold. And if someone entered gold, it means they had to be promoted from silver to gold, which is exactly what we want. So therefore, silver to gold translates to the number of people in gold and platinum after the contest minus the number of people in gold and platinum before the contest. And then using the same logic, if you want from bronze to silver, we just change this group now. Whoops. Oh, I didn't see this platinum before. To include silver, and we want to find the number of people that entered this group. Because if they entered this group during the contest, it means that they were bronze before, and then to enter the group, they had to have gone through a bronze to silver promotion, which is exactly what we want. So bronze to silver is going to be just gold plus platinum plus silver after the contest minus gold plus platinum plus silver before the contest. And yeah, this is a pretty straightforward problem. It just needs a bit of thinking to just figure out what exactly we're searching for. So now let's code this up. So we're given, I think it's a bronze before, bronze after, silver before, silver after, gold before, gold after, and then plat before, plat after. So the order we want to output actually first is bronze to silver, then it's silver to gold, then gold to plat. So here, bronze to silver, it's the longest one. So we want this first, this on the second line, and then finally we want, this on the third line. So we first want to output, it was platinum after plus gold after plus silver after minus platinum before plus gold before plus silver before. Then we on a new line we output the promotions from silver to gold, which is going to be the same thing, except we want to change the size of our group. And then finally, we want the number of promotions from gold to plat, which is oh, whoops, that's weird. From gold to plat is simply plat after the contest minus plat before the contest. And this should be right. Oh, I didn't see in anything. Gotta read in all the input. B A S B S A G B G A P B and P A. Okay. And now we need to put it in the weird USACO format. C++, choose file, CP code, USACO general. I think it should be this one. Whoops, should have been a string. There we go. And voila,